my bed. How did this happen?
You're kidding me, bro.
Someone is following us. Really?
It's just a really ugly chair.
Let's keep moving. Phew. Hey, have you seen a girl named Maggie around here?
Oh my.
You see, I
Oh
went to the
shit,
bathroom
that's
a couple
alright!
months ago and...
Bro, that means this guy's been here looking for Maggie the entire time. Dude, let's try to show you. Damn, this. Okay, I see what's going on.
Dead end! What are we gonna do? Oh man, the bounty I'm gonna collect after catching you guys is gonna be as... What?
I said to get in.